I am Dr. Tahir. I am Director of Reed International Academy. We are providing quality educations and focus on character building of students. Our faculty members are our strength and our students are our assets. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है इंजीनियर बिलाल अहमद और मेरा 7 to 8 ईयर प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन के अंदर एक्सपीरियंस है। ये प्रोजेक्ट को स्टार्ट करने के लिए मेनली जो पर्पस था इसके बिहाइंड वो ये था कि स्टूडेंट्स और इंडस्ट्री के अंदर एज ए इंजीनियर मैं ये समझता हूँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा गैप है। इस गैप को ओवरकम करने के लिए हमें कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए था जहाँ पर प्रैक्टिकलिटी जो है वो ज़्यादा हो स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर, ताकि इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जो प्रॉब्लम आती है स्टूडेंट्स को जाकर उसे ओवरकम किया जा सके या वो फैक्टर एलिमिनेट किया जा सके। तो हम इस इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर करिकुलम के साथ साथ कैरियर काउंसलिंग को भी इंश्योर करेंगे। सो कम एंड ज्वाइन अस। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Assalamualaikum. This is our new project. The basic aim behind this project to create a social organization in society by harmonizing the attitudes, ideas, habits, customs, emotions, sentiments of the people. Initially, I started teaching profession as a part-time teacher, but gradually I realized that this is the right way to immunize our society from issues like poor quality, missing basic facilities, lack of friendly environment. Inshallah, me and my mates will ensure to equip our students with academic as well as ethical attributes. So come and join us.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Wasif Parwaz with Reed Academy. We started this academy last year and the basic objective of this institute was to provide our students with quality education and preparing them for the challenges of tomorrow and ensuring that they could excel anywhere in their professional fields globally.
I'm a student of second year MBBS from Gujranwala Medical College. First of all, I'll congratulate Dr. Muhammad Numan and Sir Bilal Ahmed as they're starting up their new academy, the Reed Academy. I wish them best of luck. I've been their student for about 4 years and it was a wonderful experience because these are the teachers which not only prepare you for the exams but also for the challenges of the upcoming professional life. They use diagrammatic illustrations, practical examples and examples from their daily life so that students can make their concepts crystal clear and observe the things with a more broader vision. It was my dream to become a doctor and these teachers have played a key role in the struggle to achieve my goals. Their plus point is that they do not degrade or depreciate any student and they do not just thirst upon their knowledge upon the students. Instead, they teach the students according to the level of the students. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ali Iqbal. I am a 4th year medical student at Services Institute of Medical Sciences. My success is accredited to Dr. Numan and Sir Bilal, whose brilliant teaching skills have helped me to achieve my dream of becoming a doctor. Now it's your time to achieve your dreams and they will help you do that. And also I would like to congratulate them on their project. May Allah grant them success. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Daniel Rafiq Aman and I am the student of 4th year MBBS, Nawaz Sharif Medical College, Gujarat. I've studied my pre-medical from Sir Bilal and Sir Numan and their guidance has been the key to my success. You only have to see any dream and these two teachers are capable of completing any of your dream, whether you want to become a doctor or an engineer. And I would like to congratulate Sir Numan and Sir Bilal. They are starting a new project. May Allah grant huge success to them. They will inshallah succeed because these two teachers are the key to every success. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I am Saliha Group and I am doing MBBS from Fatma Shah Medical University. I am really honored to have Sir Bilal and Sir Numan as my teachers. I always wanted to become a doctor. These teachers not only taught me but also made me able to achieve my goal. And they are really humble teachers. I really congratulate them and wish them very, very best of luck from the core of my heart. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. It's Aisha Naik, College of the Fatima Memorial Hospital MBBS. It has always been a passion to be a good doctor, and to be in this field is not a game of a night. It requires proper guidance and emotional support. I was lucky enough to choose Sir Numan and Sir Bilal as my teachers. I studied from them for 4 years and scored 100% marks in the respective subjects. These are the teachers who not only guided me to my path but also helped me to build confidence in myself and supported me emotionally as well. And I want to congratulate Sir Numan and Sir Bilal for the inauguration of their academy, that is the Reed International Academy. I'm sure enough that this will be a successful project because hard work at the end pays.
Hey everyone, my name is Amna Imran and I'm an IT student at University of Michigan, which is in Michigan, United States of America. I always wanted to become an IT expert. First of all, I would like to congratulate two of my best teachers, Professor Dr. Muhammad Numan and Professor Bilal Ahmed, for their international project, which is known as Reed International Academy. They both are very exceptional as I could ever think of. They both take pains to do their best. They are very good at their own subjects. They love to motivate their students. I would like to finish this by saying that we are here for a good time, not for a long time. So let's be kind and root for one another. Together we soar higher. Thank you so much.
My name is Mohammad Usman and I'm a junior student of Management Sciences at NAMS. I've studied for both Sir Bilal and Numan for a period of over 4 years. They are very excellent and highly able teachers. They are very hardworking and are always concerned for the success of their students. Moreover, I believe that they are truly inspirational and have made a positive difference in the life of their students. Apart from that, they have been very good friends, counselors and mentors to me. Currently, they are working on their new project called Reed Research Education and Development Academy. I truly wish them success and best of luck, and I encourage you to be a part of the Reed Academy and have a positive impact on your life. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Bisma Salim. I am studying Doctor of Pharmacy from the Punjab University, all campus in second floor. First of all, I congratulate Sir Bilal and Sir Numan. They are going to inaugurate a new academy, Reed International Academy. It's my dream to become pharmacist, and this dream comes true by the help of Sir Bilal and Sir Numan. I also appreciate the remarkable efforts put in me by these teachers, without whose invaluable contribution and intellectual hard work, this success would not have been possible. I must say, they are very talented teachers because they create a positive, trusting and producing learning environment. They understand the capacity and the pace of the student. May Allah bless them with more and more success. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Burhan Shkilat. I am student of Pharm D, third year from University of Lahore. I have done my metric and pre-medical from teachers Sir Numan and Sir Bilal, and I believe that they are excellent teachers. For me, I believe you need emotional satisfaction and of course curriculum excellence to achieve your aims, and these teachers have capability to provide you these parameters in such a good way that it becomes easy to get your aims. So it's a great opportunity for you. I have heard that they are going to start a new project, the Reed International Academy. Just go and join them. They will provide you complete guidance. At the end, I pray to Allah Almighty that Allah provide them more and more success. Amin. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Aksa Sarwar. I'm the bachelor student of Applied Microbiology, doing from the University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Lahore. First, I will congratulate Sir Bilal Ahmed and Dr. Muhammad Numan on setting up of their new institution, the Reed Academy. I remained a student for 4 years, and the best part was they explain everything thoroughly and with example so that every student can comprehend it easily. They maintain a friendly relation with their students so that they can ask, they can clear their queries without any hesitation. And moreover, they are the career counselors and help the students that are confused in choosing their profession. At the end, I wish you best of luck for your new institution.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Zohar Nan. Currently, I am enrolled in Department of Pharmacy at Foreman Christian College, a chartered university. In my past few years, I have been fortunate enough to be a student of Dr. Numan as well as Bilal Ahmed. I have been in touch with them since 9th standard till 2nd year. Their teaching methodologies, teaching ways as well as communication skills are way too excellent that each and every student of their class has access to basic concepts regarding studies. I would like to congratulate them on their huge success at the opening of their own academy. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, myself Sundar Sabas. I'm a BS Agriculture Sciences student at the Department of Agriculture Sciences at the University of Punjab from Lahore. Today I'm here, its credit parts and goes to my own beloved, honorable and the most precious humbles, my mentor teachers, Dr. Muhammad Numan and Professor Engineer Bilal Ahmed. I'm heard about they are going to start their own academy, the Reed Academy. It's a blessing for the rest of the students. Best of luck. Thanks.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Yaqub. I have done my graduation from Lahore College for Women University. In FSC, I got opportunity to learn some knowledge by Dr. Muhammad Numan and Sir Bilal Ahmed. They are very nice and humble persons. They help me in every step. Their method of teaching is very good. I think students can perceive their point of view very easily. I am so grateful to have them in my life as my teachers. I congratulate them for their project and best wishes for them.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Abbas and I have recently completed my BA Zoology from Lahore College Women University Lahore, and now I am up to my MS. I was the student of Dr. Muhammad Numan and Engineer Bilal Ahmed in my pre-medical FSC. Now I have recently heard that they are going to start their new academy, the Reed Academy. Wish you very best of luck to both of you. The both are stimulating, unbiased, and the most humble teachers. Thank you for emboldening me and have a very successful future. That will be the decorous place for learning. Very best of luck to both of you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है नुमान साहब और मैं ज़रूरी यूनिवर्सिटी में इंजीनियरिंग के शुबे में ज़ेर तालीम हूँ। हम सब की हमारी ज़िंदगी में कोई ना कोई इंस्पिरेशन होती है और मेरी इंस्पिरेशन है सर बिलाल। हमने FSC में इनसे फिज़िक्स पढ़ी और फिज़िक्स के साथ साथ स्ट्रगल करने के टैक्टिक्स। अब ये अपना नया प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करने के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो बहुत सी बेस्ट विशेज़ इनके लिए, अल्लाह पाक इन्हें कामयाब करे।
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hamza Hussain and I am a medical student in International School of Medicine. I came to know that Sir Bilal and Sir Numan are starting their own academic institute. Actually, I was their student in pre-medical. They are very good teachers. They gave me proper guidance regarding my studies, my future, my aims, and I want to congratulate them, and all my best wishes are with them. May Allah give them all the successes and all the honors.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम हमास अमीन है और मैं इस टाइम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटिंग कर रहा हूँ प्रोफेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ कॉमर्स से। सिर्फ एक छोटा सा मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि सर बिलाल और सर नुमान मेरे टीचर हैं। प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन जो है वो उनके अंडर हासिल किया है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज एक बहुत अच्छी स्टेज पर मौजूद हूँ। तो सर बिलाल और सर नुमान को बस मैं बेस्ट ऑफ लक विश करना चाहता हूँ इस न्यू अकेडमी के लिए जो रीड साइंस अकेडमी उन्होंने खोली है, और मैं एज अ पार्ट टाइम टीचर भी यहाँ पर एड कर रहा हूँ। तो मैं सारे बच्चों को ये सजेशन देना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप कल को कोई अकेडमी चूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ द रीड साइंस अकेडमी को ज़रूर चूज़ कीजिएगा। इसकी वजह यह है कि आप जो भी टीचर्स हैं जिनसे मैंने तालीम हासिल की है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेटिव हैं और तकरीबन तमाम का तमाम स्टाफ ही यहाँ पर रीड साइंस अकेडमी में मौजूद है, और इंशाल्लाह ये स्टाफ आपको प्रॉपर गाइड भी करेगा और कल को किसी अच्छी करियर के लिए आपको प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग भी प्रोवाइड करेगा इंशाल्लाह। और बहुत ही मुनासिब फीस है हमारी, बहुत ही अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट है, अच्छी बिल्डिंग है, और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि सेपरेट क्लासेस हैं फॉर बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स। तो इंशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा आपको और अच्छी तालीम आपको प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू विश सर बिलाल एंड सर नुमान द बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर दिस न्यू अकेडमी एंड जज़ाकल्लाह।